Hey guys, this is JFix. Our video for today it's all about 2011 Toyota Matrix. Today guys we're gonna replace a thermostat on this engine. All the tools you need is the ratchet and the 10mm socket. So first thing first guys, we're gonna remove this cover so you have good access on the thermostat, which is the location here below the alternator. So if you can see that bolt there, there are two 10mm nut. So can I remove that one first? Then so then once you remove the two nuts, we can pull this one on the side, and you can pull out that thermostat there. So you can use long flat screws just to tear this off. So now guys, we're gonna install the new thermostat. So don't forget that position. This one must be on the top, which is 12 o'clock. So must be like that. Then we're gonna install this cover back in, and the two there we go. And next is the two and next is we're gonna install these two 10mm nut. Now we're gonna tie this one. So next guys, we're gonna fill out the radiator and the radiator reservoir as well. So we put this cover back in, then we're gonna start. And we check for a leak. It's all good guys, so that's all for today's video, and hopefully you subscribe to the channel and watch my next video. Thank you.